Hello from the Blanca Cars team. This video will guide you on how to book a car on our website. Once you have entered our website, you will come across this page, and firstly you need to select your pickup location. You can scroll through and see which location you would like to collect your car. You will also need to do this for the return location. Once completed, you need to select the dates and time you would like to collect your car. You will also need to do this for the return date. The next step is to select your age and then press show availability. Now you can scroll through our available cars and select the car you would like to hire. Once you have selected the car you would like to hire, you'll come to this screen where you can add child seats or booster seats with the car you would like to hire. Once you have decided and selected if you need booster seats or child seats, click here to go to the final step. This is where we will need all of your information. If you are collecting the car from an airport, please provide us with the flight number so we can arrive at the best time that works for you to collect your car. If you have requested home delivery, please put your address here so we know where we will be delivering the car. Once you've filled out everything, remember to tick the terms and conditions and press proceed. This is the confirmation that we have received your request and we have sent a copy to your email. Within 12 hours, we will send you a booking confirmation with all the collection details that you need. If your booking cannot be confirmed, you will receive an email so that you are informed. Thank you for inquiring with us, and we'll be in contact with you as soon as possible.